wanna make the case.
But wait,
Colo mentally.
if your wife drinks alcohol and she gets high, will she become a Wi-Fi?
Yeah?
Wi-Fi.
Oh my God.
If your name is Eddie, and I want to call you to come over, will I say hello? Comedy? Comedy.
Continue.
What if a Fulani man decides to bring all his male cows down from the north to the east? East. We then become Istanbul.
What do you say?
Istanbul.
This one is one of us. Continue.
That's how yesterday. One of my old classmates, Lisa, she lost her grandma 105 and I decided to go and pay her condolence visit.
Okay.
When I last saw her, she was sad, she was mourning, she was angry. Yeah, my grandma, very inconsolable.
What are you trying to say?
I was not thinking about it when I got on that. Wait, can we call Lisa?
Run. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Mona Lisa.
What do you say?
Mona Lisa.
Your mind bent.
Bye bye.
Help us. There is God.